Okay, y'all, welcome back. It's Big Al for Stocklocksunday. We've got a couple ABUS locks here. This is the 9265. This is the block lock. And then we've got this little 8540. Let's go with this one, and we'll try that one on another video. What do you say? 8540, it looks like they give it a security level 6 out of 10 up here. Okay. That's quite something. I picked this one up off of Locket. Check them out if you're interested. They do have some great locks on Locket. I love their online store. Okay, so what do we got here? Nice. ABUS Lock Company, Germany. Oh, look at that. They did the blue on that side. That's cool. I like how they put that in there. It's a little dirty right there. Alright, so, ooh, nasty bitting. Okay. And it looks to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be darned. That's quite a bit for such a small lock. Okay, it does have spring-loaded locking pawls. There's not a lot of room in there, but you know we're going to have to try to shim that, although that's a pretty small diameter shackle, so that might not happen. But let's see about some other weaknesses. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you can't shim that because it's got a lip, but that's possible. So let's see what it takes to pick into it. I don't know how we're going to do that. That's a really small keyway right there. That's going to be a booger. I'm thinking maybe something like maybe one of these dudes in the top. If it stays. Okay, that's not ideal, but let's give it a shot because I'm going to have to pick off that bottom right there. So let's go with maybe one of these hooks from Sparrows. Let me see if it'll even fit. Okay, yeah, it'll fit. Alright, so let's give it a shot. See what we can do. 1, 2, and I'm quite sure, being as it's an ABUS lock, it's probably got spools in there. Okay, I'm getting nothing. Oh, there we go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's a little booger, I'll tell you what. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there we go. Bada boom, bada bang. Where there's a will, there's a way. All right, so so that helped out. That's the high hook from the Sparrows sliver picks, 12 thousandths. Nice thin picks. By the way, I'm still using the first set. I bought several sets. These picks are phenomenal. I haven't replaced a single one yet. I'm getting a slight bend to them, but I mean, these things are paper thin, so phenomenal picks, by the way. Sparrows. Okay, so let's see. That is a small diameter, but we got to give it a shot. Got to see if we can get a shim in there. Maybe a small dude. So it seems to be locking from both sides. Maybe another small dude. Oof. is. Okay. Yep, so a lot of these locks are like that. When they've got these spring-loaded locking pawls like this, pretty strong spring, but you get the idea. Just get something in there and push that locking pawl back. But, you know, it is what it is. That's old school mechanism. Most locks nowadays use ball locking, but on something this size, you're probably not going to find that. So there it is. That's the ABUS 8540. I picked this one up from Lockit. So check them out if you're interested. All right, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. And if you like this video, there's a little button that looks like this. Click that for me. All right. Thank you.